Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a stern rudder. Now, in the beginning of this series, I showed you how to do a forward stroke, didn't I? And if you'd noticed, the canoe always just tracks to one side. So this is an awesome stroke for beginners to keep that canoe on track. For this, it's the exit of the forward stroke. You want to keep that short grip still, short to medium, preferably short, knees planted, twisting into that torso, the blade nice and flat in the water, so it catches the water. The shaft is nice and vertical. When you're doing this, your thumb stays upright. For the entry of this, if you just want to turn to one side and you're not sure how to do it all together, you can just stick your paddle in and let the drag of the water do the rest. And it would, if you were going faster, it would just bring the canoe and just swing it around to the right of me. And that is an excellent way for a beginner to turn and keep your canoe in track. This stroke can only be done in the stern, so you can't do it at the front, otherwise it's not very effective.